I'm going down a very steep hill to a beautiful little bridge on this trail in Thomas Owen State Park, West Virginia of Appalachia. Here's the bridge. I'm going to cross it. I've never been on this bridge in my life. Okay, forward. And we're going to go on this other bridge. More looking at a little baby stream. Okay, I'm going to continue on here. My companions are nearby, behind me to let me film. A little bit of muddiness, not too bad. And this is in Thomas Owen State Park. A little bit of muddiness. In West Virginia, Appalachia. There's some lovely bird song today as I hike along. See you soonish.